video. Today we're gonna go through How You Like That by Blackpink because we just went through the chorus part this past 2 weeks in our Kpop Dance Workshop. It was a lot of fun. We started with learning the choreography, but then we got into the formation. We just separate into the small groups. One group has 4 people. We almost completely copied the actual choreography and the formation, so it was so much fun. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus of How You Like That. And we're gonna try with the actual music at the end, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start this video, we have Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. and this workshop opens for any levels and ages. So if you are living nearby, please feel free to join us. It opens right now wearing the mask and following the COVID-19 regulation. We also do free live workshop on our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop. It's completely free, so anyone can join the Facebook group and anyone can join the live workshop. So if you want to learn any K-pop dance choreography and be a part of our big K-pop community here, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start 1-8 counts before the chorus. So we're gonna start with 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. Yes. Alright, so your arms first. Make an index with your right hand and point it forward. Now bring it up. Now switch your arm and then take left hand and then make a peace sign or 2. This is 2. Do 하나 둘 셋. In Korean it's 2. And then bring it down and 3. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. Yes, this is just gonna be arms. Point up, 2, 3. But if it's gonna be in a count, it's a little different. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you know the lyrics, you can do 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. It's totally up to you. And your legs, this is a formation change, so you can just move around however you want. On 3 or on 4 in the count, I want you guys to be here. Okay, open your legs a little bit wider than your shoulders. Here we go. Now you're gonna lean to the left, make a fist on your left hand, and then take your right hand in front of your chest. Now lean to the right. Yes. Left and right. Now we're gonna pull your right elbow and then bring it back and open. Good. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're gonna open. We're just gonna go push, push, hip, open. Yes. Your legs just gonna be right, left, right, left. You don't need to extend your knees completely. We're just gonna be step, 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 step. Okay? So after this, we're gonna push twice. Your neck tilt to the left. Push, push. Now on the third one, you're gonna take your left hand to your hip, smash, and then after smash, you're gonna open. Yeah, when you open it, lastly, you're gonna tilt your neck to the right. Good. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now push, push, hip, open. Yes. After that, you're gonna put your left foot down and then wave down. Yeah, it's gonna be wave up, but then drop your hip down. So it's gonna be knees, hip, belly, chest, down, sit down. Yeah, wave up. Now we're gonna cross with your right foot, and when you cross it, point forward with your left index, okay? Wave up, now point, so that you can turn around on your left shoulder, turn around, okay? You're not gonna turn around 360, you're gonna face to the right, and then point forward with your right index. Good. So that we can go da, 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 da. Here, 7, 8, now in, out, front. Good. Your right index and your neck moves in the same direction. In, out, down. Okay? So as you moving back and forth, you're gonna gradually going down. And then the last thing, you're just gonna point forward and hip forward as well. Good. Okay. So let's do from the wave up. Push, push, up and wave, up. Now point, turn around, and in, out, down. So that you can take a hip twice, up, up. Yes, all right, until here, let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and push, push, hip, up and wave, up. Now point, turn around, and in, out, down, hip, hip. Now we're gonna go through two parts. Only Lisa part in Blackpink, she's gonna do a little different while other girls are doing the same things. So I'm gonna go through the Lisa part first. Hip, hip. Now you're gonna face forward. Yes. After hip, hip, you're gonna face forward. Just gonna cross your arms just like this, and then jump. A little bit of jump, and then make an index with your right hand. Go around your head. Now we're gonna take your right arm through your chest and left hand through your chest. That's it. Hip, hip, cross and jump, and right, left. Yes, your legs bend your knees, and then each time when your arms go through your chest, your knees close and point. Point left. Yeah, just like this. Okay, so let's do Lisa part first. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now, while other girls, we're gonna go after hip, hip. Now we're gonna face back. Put your hands on your hip, and you're gonna go twerk twice. Up, up. Good. It's gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8, and now either you can turn around to the left or right. It's up to you. If you're gonna go left, you take your left arm up, and then left, right, left, right, left, left. Just like this. Arms left, right, left, right, left, left. Or if you wanna go on the right, starting with your right arm up, right, left, right, left, right, right. Good. Now it's totally up to you guys. You can do which parts you want. I'm gonna stick with Lisa today, but yeah, again, it's up to you guys. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Now everyone after this, step back with your right foot, and then left hand on top of your head, and then face front, cover your mouth. 7, 8. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good. Here, make an index with both of your hands. We're just gonna point the left, right, starting with a little bit top of your head, left, right, and bring it back to your chest, and then down to the left. Yeah, a little wave. Come to the center. Last one, we're just gonna take right knee in, left knee in, right knee in, and step slide. Good. Each time when you take your knees in, your hands go hip, and hip, and hip, and step. All right, let's do from the beginning. This is the first half from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and push, push, hip, up and wave, up and point, turn around, and in, out, down, hip, hip, cross, and jump, and right, left, point, and step. From da, left, right, step. Now after this, we're gonna go boom, fun, up. Okay, so after slide, immediately after you slide and move to the formation, you're gonna first jump and throw your hair, jump, yes. And then we're gonna go box step, right, left, right, up. Your legs just gonna draw a triangle, right, left, right, jump, yeah? Right, left, right, jump. While your hands, again, your right hand is up, and just find yourself, right, left, right, and up. Yes, open your hands. We're gonna go one more time, right, left, right, up. Now again, while you're doing finding yourself, we're gonna step to the left from your left foot, left, right, left, and we're just gonna point right, left. Your body goes from the left to the right, okay? We're gonna point 4 times, right, left, and then step back. When you step back, extend your right arm, step back. Alright, from throwing the hair, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, fun, 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 up, step left, and point, 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 step back. Now we're gonna go pull, and pull, and pull, and pull. Here, your legs just gonna be right, and then take your left foot to where your right foot is at. Step, and step, and step. Good, just like this. We're gonna move to the right 4 step, and you're just gonna pull your arms. Make a fist on both of your arms. Take your left elbow, pull, while your right elbow goes in. Pull, 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 pull. Okay, after we did 4 times, we're gonna go in, 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 in. Okay, so the last one, 7, 8, and put your legs together but knees open so that you can go out, 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 out. Here, each time when you take your elbows out, up or out, we're gonna close your knees. In, switch to the right, in, switch to the left, in, and right. Good. And then we're just gonna go point how you like that. Yes, your fingers, right, left, right, left, right. That's it. And then you can step from your left foot. This is also another kind of formation change, so you can move however you want. We're just gonna go right, left, right. Point. And that's it. Alright, let's start with the second half, throwing the hair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Fun, fun, fun. Up, fun, fun, fun. Step left, 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 and point, 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 point. Up, down, and pull, and pull, and pull, and pull, and up, 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 up. How you like that? Yeah. Alright, now it's time to put everything together from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and push, push, hip, up and wave, up and point, turn around, and in, out, down, hip, hip, cross, and jump, and right, left, point, and step, front, left, right, down, right, left, right, and throw, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, point, 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 up, down, and pull, and pull, and pull, and pull, and up, 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 up. How you like that? Alright, let's do it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push, push, hip, all the way up, point, up, down, cross, down, point, 1, 5, 6, 7, let's go. Up, step left, up, down, and pull, and pull, and Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me. I hope this video helps you to get the first chorus of How You Like That by Blackpink. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comment section down below. And please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Look at you now, look at me. めた